All right, y'all. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. We're about to slam a leg workout. We're gonna do some heavy squats. We're gonna do some sumo deadlifts. We're gonna do a little bit of everything. Jonathan is working out with me. So I don't know what he's doing back there, but he's supposed to be working out with me. So get ready.
Marquez and Caruso got the bangers.
Just got 335, whew, 411. Didn't get it on film though because Jonathan was spotting me. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, workout in the books. I've been doing the running, you know, and I can tell that that's definitely increased my endurance. Just over a week's time of running the 2 miles every day, I can tell like mid-set, I'm not near as winded, so that's a huge, huge bonus there. So don't let cardio scare you. Don't if you're trying to build muscle, don't think that you can't do any cardio. That's like some people's negative stigma against cardio, but if you have a great cardiovascular system, you can get more volume in the weight room and thus build more muscle. I mean, you have to kind of skate the line, so to speak. You don't want to do too much cardio, but you want to do enough to stimulate, you know, and get the cardiovascular system running on all 8 cylinders. So that's all I got to say about that. All right, y'all, we got our last load of bricks getting shipped out in just a minute. So a couple mountains of orders here. Then we're loading them all up in the van. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Taking the camera with you? Crystal's gonna drop them off. She would love to take the camera with her. Isn't that right, baby?
That's right.
There you go. Bryson's taking it?
I know. Okay, I'm recording. Hey guys, so we're on our way to the post office with Crystal and Bryson, and we have Starbucks. So we'll let you know how this trip goes. Boom. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Alright, you guys, we are at the post office fixing to unload the van, waiting on Crystal to open up this gate that we have. Apparently it's going to be really hard. That's what Dylan and Corey said, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so we survived the trip, right?
Yep,
right,
we
we did it.
survived.
Like, yeah, it wasn't as hard.
I must say that Bryson is the easiest person to get along with, and probably did the best job unloading that van, Dylan.
Hey, oh, look at that, look at that. Much love, much love. Well, that was a fun trip. Hopefully I get to go on more, right?
Yep,
Hopefully.
absolutely.
Sweet. See y'all next time.
All right, y'all, back from, I don't know what the last clip was. I think Bryson and Crystal had the camera when they dropped off the brick, so I don't even know what they filmed. Hopefully it was good. I've been working on the computer, got my emails done, got all the brick shipping labels done, obviously, and been working on a podcast. I just recorded an awesome podcast. It won't go live for a few more weeks, like 2 more weeks, I think, but it was an awesome podcast. I'll let you know that. I'm doing my meat and bricks, so I ate my keto brick. I had a mocha brick. I hadn't had a mocha in a while, but man, oh man, it was good. And I got my shipment of spirulina energy bits in, so I had 30 of those. And then I got my shipment of the recovery bits in, which is the chlorella tablets. And I'm gonna have those after my meal today. So I noticed, like, obviously energy-wise, these are not going to be like the same type of energy that caffeine would, but generally speaking, I get like this little dip in energy around afternoon time. But I had 30 of these around 1 o'clock, and I didn't notice that dip in energy. I don't know if I would attribute it to this completely, but I didn't feel tired, which is a perk. So yeah, that's what we got in the mail there. About to go on a run. I don't know what I'm going to eat tonight. I thawed out some venison that I killed last year, so I'm going to try and think of some cool way to cook that up. So I'll see in just a bit for that. But first, let's go run 3 miles. Alright, y'all, the run has been complete. It was like 3.3 miles or whatever it wound up being. Jonathan's getting a shirt because he does work here too. And like I said in the other video, you work here, you get the shirts first. That's the one you're going with? Yes. Nice. That's the one he's going with. About to shoot the bow right now and zing some arrows. So here we go. Jonathan Shane with a Live Savage shirt on, broadhead tip. He's about to shoot the target 20 yards away. Alright. Oh wait, remember the yellow fletching goes on the outside. There you go.
Why does that matter?
Just, you don't want it to wear the fletching down too far.
Woo! And we got Robert Sykes.
Another day in the life.
With a Keto Savage bracelet.
That's right.
And a Keto Savage beanie.
Yeah, buddy. And my glasses. Y'all don't ever see me in my glasses.
Boom.
Alright, y'all. So we've been out here for about 20 minutes now. I've gotten the target pretty well killed. Jonathan's lost one of my arrows, shot the tree three times now. 3 times now. But that's not all Jonathan's done. Check this out.
Look at my battle scar.
Now, explain to me how you shoot yourself in the leg with the bow and arrow. I didn't know it was possible. What is going on, y'all? I'm about to cook up some dinner because I haven't eaten anything yet today. Got a package in. See what it is. Y'all know I've been trying to get ready to hunt and cook all that I kill. So I got the Meat Eater book by Stephen Ranella. And it's basically, I heard about this book he was on the Joe Rogan podcast. I talked about this book on my 7 Set Sunday, but basically it's full of pictures on how to process the animal that you have harvested and then how to cook that animal. So I've got some deer meat thawing that I killed last year. I'm going to see what I can make with it right now. So stay tuned for that. Haven't had any deer meat in a while, so I'm excited to chow down on some venison. Boom. Fresh venison, y'all. Cannot beat it. Alright, y'all. The finished product. Freshly cooked venison. Just want to let y'all know that this venison This might actually be one of Danny's deer. Either Danny, Vega, or I killed this last year. So freaking good. Today's been a great day. Got a ton done. Got all the bricks shipped out. Thank you for getting the brick. Got a whole bunch of work done. Got all the emails answered. Eating the deer that I killed last year, or Danny killed one. Perfect top for the day. Shot the bow. This is how a day should go. That rhymed. All right, see y'all tomorrow.